friends! Welcome to Sunsational Storytime. My name is Mariana. I'm a librarian at Broward County Libraries. I'm so glad you decided to join me today because we're gonna go on a colorful and rhyming adventure into the rainforest, and we're gonna meet a greedy parrot and his animal friends. And I said colorful. Why? Because the rainforest has many, many colors. Lush greens, deep blue, bright yellow for the sun. So why not start with a rhyme about colors? You can join me and help me name the colors. All right, here they are. All right. What's this? Yellow? That's right. Blue, then orange, red, and green. Let's count them and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little colors painting a scene. Yellow, blue, orange, red, and green. Yellow said, "Ooh, look, I'm gonna paint a sun that's bright." Blue said, "Oh, great, my river is just right." Orange said, flowers, I'm gonna add some too." Red did not want to be left out and said, "I'm gonna paint some flowers too." Sigh green. I'm tired of trees, grass, and leaves. I think I'm gonna paint a big green cloud because a big green cloud should be allowed. The 5 little markers didn't blink twice because a big green cloud is quite really nice. Thank you for joining me in this little fun rhyme. And are we ready for the story? Before we start, I'm gonna share a literacy tip for the adults. When you choose rhyming stories, poems, or songs, you help your child develop phonemic awareness. Let's go and read the book now. I'm so excited for you to meet Parrot Tico Tango. And the book is written and illustrated by Witte. Let's see. Oh, look, all the awesome colors that we just talked about. I see some yellow and orange and green. So many fruits too. Let's find out what's about these fruits in the story. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, but it wasn't quite as yellow as the lemon of Marcelo. There's Marcelo with his lemon. And can you tell me what animal Marcelo is? Did you say sloth? Great job! And he saw Marcelo, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have that too. So he took it. He took it. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried on his right a lemon small and bright. When he spied Elena's fig, which was purple, sweet, and big. And, yep, Tico Tango knew that he had to have that too. So he grabbed it. He grabbed it. Just took it. Is that nice to take things without asking? It's not okay. I don't think it's okay. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried on his right a lemon, small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet and big. But he saw his good friend Terry with the red, juicy cherry, and Tico Taco knew that he had to have that too. So he stole it. What? He stole it? But look, Terry's crying. She's sad. Is it nice to make our friends sad? Is it nice to make them cry? Tico Tango. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried on his right a lemon, small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet and big. And on his back from Terry, the red juicy cherry. When he saw Mariana munch on a green grape bunch, there's Mariana. And what do you think happened? Yes, Tico Tango knew that he had to have that too. So he just snatched it. Can you believe it? He just snatched it. Look at Mariana. Look. She's in shock, disbelief. What happened? The Parrot Tico Tango had a round and yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon, small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet and big. And on his back from Terry, that red, juicy cherry. And he clutched the grapes he put in his sharp, strong foot. But what happened? He spied proud Soraya with the green-orange papaya. And Soraya is a leopard. She's dangerous. But he didn't care. Tico Taco knew that he had to have that too. So he seized it. He's lucky he escaped. He's lucky he can fly. The Parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried on his right a lemon, small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet and big. And on his back he still had from Terry that red, juicy cherry. And he clutched the grapes he put in his sharp, strong foot. And in the other foot he held the papaya that he smelled. Oh, but then Tico Taco saw his friend Nate with a tiny brown date. And can you guess? Tico Tango knew that he had to have that too. Greedy parrot. He wants all of it. So he opened his beak wide. Open wide. Let me see. To fit the date deep inside. When Crash! Down came the papaya, the lemon, the cherry, grapes, everything came down. Tico Tango lost all his fruit. Poor Tico Tango! And to find out what happened next and the lesson that Tico Tango learned about sharing, ask the adults to check out this book and other titles in the Hoopla ebook collection on Broward County Library's website. I had so much fun on this rainforest adventure that I don't want this to end. So I think I'm gonna take you on a jungle expedition. You ready? We're gonna walk, we're gonna jump, and we're gonna skip. So feel free at home to get up and walk, jump, and skip as we do this song. Ready? Here we go. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, forward. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, back. Stop. What's that? What's that? Listen, listen. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What was that? Ribbit, ribbit. Did you say it was a frog? Are you afraid? I'm not afraid. Here's our froggy. Say hi to Froggy. Hello. And because froggies jump, we're gonna jump next. Jumping in the jungle, jumping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, forward. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, back. Stop, 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 stop. Listen. Shh, listen, listen. What's that? What's that? Listen, listen. Did you say it was a monkey? Are you afraid? I'm not afraid. Say hi to Monkey. Hi, Monkey. So we're gonna skip next. Skipping in the jungle, skipping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, forward. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, back. Stop, stop. Shh, shh. What's that? Listen, listen, listen. What's that? What's that? That doesn't sound friendly. No, what's that? Did you say it's a tiger? Are you afraid? I'm afraid. Run! It's just my little friend Tiger. Thank you for joining me today. That's all we have for today. See you soon. Bye.